Few more old cartridges this morning. Wax paper, crimp closure, WLSG, practice, made in England. I think that's probably come from a clay ground of some sort. Also the Trapmaster, loaded by GL Woods and Son, Ovington in Norfolk. Judging by that phone number, it's quite an old cartridge. Again, paper with a crimp. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be varnished. It's sort of looking half and half. I can't quite make my mind up. 6-shot. Here, an Express. Hodgson's, Gunmakers, Bury St Edmunds. Shot size 6, made in Great Britain. And a Churchill Gem, shot size 6. 61 Pall Mall, London, made in England. So quite a famous cartridge maker there, gun maker I think. Judging by Pall Mall, London, it's got to be something good. Each of these are originally Ely, just Ely with a 12 on there. Ely Chinook with the ICI sign there. And that one's another Ely Chinook with a 12. And this one, although the head's a little bit rusty, you can clearly see Ely with a 12. So there's a few different styles of the Ely brand name on the base of cartridges. I think they're shootable. I think they're quite safe to fire. Got no problems with them. I've got another 2 here. This just says special smokeless with a 12 on as well. You can see on this one though, the primer's gone a bit rusty. I don't really fancy trying to fire that one. I think I've got more chance of having a misfire than anything actually dangerous. These were originally varnished paper crimp closure cartridges, the same, but through severe wear or just fade, general age taking its toll, you can't really tell what it says. On the best ones, I've got 4 of these. On the best ones I can make out between them, it's something like Powell, shot size 6, and it's a general cartridge. Now, I'm quite curious about these old cartridges, what was inside them. So, quick cut into them. Let's see what we find. Compared to the components in a modern day cartridge, I know you can get plastic wad or fibre wad in the modern versions, and you've got the original plastic case. Certainly quite tough, looks fairly thick, and the knife is quite a sharp one as well, I'll add. I'm surprised how difficult it is to cut through this. Here comes the shot. Oh, I'll just put the rest into a little container, make it safe. Quite a bit there. There you can see the detail of the inside of the crimp. There's the outside part. Yeah, the thickness of the cardboard looks about the same as a plastic cartridge, but that's the interior of the crimp. Looking inside there, you can just make out the inner wad. Keep your fingers and thumbs out the way. Cut down. A bit of a voyage of discovery this is. fibre wad. This apparently is coming out in pieces, so I'm assuming it's several pieces, several different wads rather than one splitting up. Can't quite tell though. And when you assemble all these, it's quite a length. Delve a little bit further inside. Come to the cardboard over powder wad. And there, it's nicely made compared to the fibre wad. Very neatly made. And there inside is the powder. Quite a good piece of powder in there. And you can just see the inside of the primer part there. And a few bits of grains of powder still stuck to the case. That quality is quite good, I think. Considering how old this possibly could be, with a little bit of rust on the outside, tarnished metal, and although if you think of the original look of the outside of it, didn't look all that clever, it was still quite strong, still quite sturdy, originally made fairly thickly, and those obviously would have been compressed down better and much better fit inside the cartridge. With this over wad for the powder, and the shot looks quite good as well. Yep, I think I can safely say they knew how to make a cartridge in those days. Quite interesting, I thought.